are the world's most dangerous places?
It sure goes up high.
Yeah.
If we go up there, I bet we could see our campsite and everything.
Really? Let's go up there and see.
Would that be a bit dangerous, you guys?
I don't think it'll be that dangerous at all.
I'll start climbing up first.
What if you slip and fall, you guys?
Don't worry, Toog. My tushy!
Ow, my head!
Oh, Kemi, come on. Let's go back down.
We can't go back down like this. Just try and keep climbing.
There's nothing to grab.
Then what are we going to do?
Hey, guys! Are you okay?
We're not.
We need your help, Toog. We're stuck and we can't move.
What do I do? What do I do? I'll go and get Grandpa Dolong! Grandpa Dolong!
Are you all okay, children?
Yes,
Grandpa, my tushy's a little sore because of Kemi.
but that's not my fault, Koyo Koyo.
Anyway, I'm just glad you didn't get seriously hurt. I'm sure that was quite a scare, so let's hurry back to camp.
Okay.
Thank goodness you kids didn't get hurt, because that was very dangerous.
We're very sorry.
Just know the mountain can be a fun place, but it can also be dangerous. Promise you won't climb or go near dangerous places anymore.
Okay.
And it's not just mountains. There are many dangerous places in the world, so you must be careful at all times.
What other places are dangerous, Grandpa?
There are very hot places, and there are very cold places, too.
What's the most dangerous place in the world?
I couldn't answer that for sure. Anyhow, kids, you have to be careful wherever you are. Are you hungry? I'll go and fix you something to eat. Stay nearby and play nicely.
Who knew there were so many dangerous places?
I wonder, how dangerous do you think these other dangerous places are?
I don't know. And where's the most dangerous place of all? Oh, I'm so curious.
Curiosity triggered! Curiosity triggered!
Wow!
Hello there, friends.
Hello, Comey!
I see today you're curious about where the most dangerous place on Earth is.
Yeah, Kemi. We're so curious.
Then, how about we go on a fun expedition to find the answer?
Okay, let's go!
guys. Maybe we shouldn't go this time.
Why? Are you scared?
Oh, no, it's not because I'm scared. It's just that Grandpa told us not to go to dangerous places.
You're just scared. Admit it. Scaredy cat too.
I'm not scared. It takes a lot more than this to scare me. KEMY, let's go on the expedition.
Are you sure you want to, Toom?
Of course I'm sure.
Okay, let's hurry and go find out where the most dangerous place on Earth is.
Let's go. Rover safety inspection complete.
Hey guys, we're going to go on an expedition to find where the most dangerous place is. But we're going to some very dangerous places today, so we must be extra careful, got it?
Yup, now let's get going.
Hello there, children.
Hello, Dum Dum.
Dum.
Hi, Dum Dum. We want to go on an expedition now, so can you open the wormhole?
Sure, no problem. Oh!
Come on, let's go!
Oh! Don't stay here too long, KEMY.
Yup, I won't. Whoa, it's even scarier seeing it close up.
That's a volcano. It's an active volcano.
It looks super hot.
It is. Lava is very hot, so be careful. If it gets on the rover craft, it'll melt it.
Really?
Yeah, a volcano is where magma erupts. Magma flows underground, and it's hot enough to melt anything in its path. When it erupts out of a volcano, then it's called lava.
It looks like fire is coming out.
Yes, I guess it's a lot like fire since it melts and burns everything it touches. Also, volcanoes emit volcanic ash and smoke into the air. These things are very bad and harm the environment.
Whoa, volcanoes are really scary. Yikes! The lava's gushing out! KEMY, let's hurry and get away from here.
Okay.
Wow, this place looks nice and cool.
Polar regions have thick ice, so it's always very cold. The South Pole is especially cold, colder than the North Pole. So people don't live here. That's why only animals and plants that can withstand the cold live here.
What kind of animals live here?
Animals like the penguins and seals you see over there.
Oh, they're so cute.
Aren't they? When it gets really cold, penguins huddle together to keep warm.
They're even cuter huddled up like that.
You're right. They are cute, but they're also quite amazing to be able to live in freezing areas like this.
I guess so. Oh, but KEMY, I'm getting a little cold.
It must be getting colder outside. Let's go somewhere else.
Wow, there's sound everywhere.
Yeah, the desert is very hot and it has very little water. And as you can see, it's covered in sand.
Oh, I'm hot already.
It's scorching, huh? But do you know what, KEMY? People who live in the desert wear clothes that cover their body.
Really?
No way. Why would they cover up when it's so hot out?
Now that you mention it, I think people in the desert also wear big hats.
How do you know that?
I read it in a book.
But it's scorching hot out there. Why would they wear long sleeves and a hat?
KEMY, do you know why people in the desert dress like that?
Deserts have little water and the weather is very dry. It's really hot during the day, but it gets cold at night. They dress like that for the cold nights and also for the hot afternoons to protect their skin from the sun.
That's interesting.
Hey, KEMY, it's time to go back now.
Okie dokie.
A successful expedition.
Hey guys, I think every single place we saw today was very dangerous.
Now, as a reward, here's another curiosity badge.
Today's expedition was awesome.
Yeah.
If you know a friend who is even more amazing than the friends I got to meet today, then please let me know. Bye-bye.